Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Kaizer Chiefs agree terms with two former Orlando Pirates players, Rowan Human, offered to Kaizer Chiefs, and the interest in Renal Leno. We are going to talk about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. According to multiple sources, a deal has been reached between Kaizer Chiefs and Thabiso Mnyane. No details yet in terms of duration and stuff, but Thabiso Mnyane is a Kaizer Chiefs player and he's expected to be part of the preseason in Netherlands. Will probably be announced on the 1st of July alongside other new signings. I've already spoke about how I feel about Thabiso Mnyane. For me, he's bringing something that we currently have in the team. For me, he's the same type of player as Dylan Solomons. Same attributes, energy, pace, can cover the ground. And I don't think he's better than Reef Rosler, who's our current first choice right back. And if you ask me, I don't think we should have went for Thabiso Mnyane. And the fact that Orlando Pirates released him and kept the likes of Shandu, Libito, it worries me, mate. And he wasn't getting enough game time at Orlando Pirates. He only played 5 games last season, 19 in the 23-24 season, 16 in the 22-23 season. He's still only 25, by the way. So it's pretty clear Orlando Pirates simply didn't think he's good enough. That's why they released him. And many fans are against this move, rightfully so, because we can't look to build a strong team with players who are considered as rejects, players who are deemed not good enough at their previous clubs, more especially our rival teams. So for me, this move doesn't make sense, mate. It doesn't. Now let's move to Paseka Mako, who has, according to Mickey Jr., it is Key Times Far Post, he has signed a 3-year deal with Kaizer Chiefs. And apparently, according to Kickoff, he signed a pre-contract. So Orlando Pirates wanted to keep him, but then he decided to join Kaizer Chiefs after the Nedbank Cup final. But then I don't believe this story, mate. I don't think there's any pre-contract here. I don't think Orlando Pirates wanted to keep Paseka Mako, considering he didn't play much last season and his age. I don't think Orlando Pirates wanted to keep him. But nevertheless, Paseka Mako, 31 years, left back. I also don't know why we went for him. And apparently he has been offered, he has signed, in fact, a 3-year deal. 3 years, mate. This is horrible business from Kaizer Chiefs. How do you give a 31-year-old who wasn't playing enough at his previous club, was struggling with injuries last season, how do you give such a player 3 fucking years? How? It's just incredible. And he's probably on high wages also. He's going to be our first choice left back, with Paliti coming in, of course, and Happy Mashiane being there already. I think he's going to be our first choice left back. But then I also asked the question, how many seasons can he give us? How many seasons? Because I don't see him playing until the end of his contract. I think he can give us 1 season, maybe the second, maybe 2 seasons. But then we'll be in a situation whereby we have to terminate his contract, and that's going to cost the club money. So this is horrible business from Kaizer Chiefs. But then let's see how this materializes. Now the next name on the list is Rowan Human, who has been offered to Kaizer Chiefs by his agent. He has also been offered to Orlando Pirates. And before you call him a reject, Amazulu in fact wanted to keep him, but then they couldn't reach an agreement in personal terms, and they decided to part ways, so he can't be a reject. And we were interested in Rowan Human back in 2023, and we looked poised to sign him, but then Amazulu from nowhere came to the mix, and they hijacked the deal. They ended up signing Rowan Human, and Feb this year we were linked to him. So Kaizer Chiefs are long-term admirers of the 25-year-old. Scored 3 goals and assisted 5 this season. I mean, not bad, considering PSL standards. I don't think it's bad. I think we should go for this move. I like Rowan Human. I think he's a great player, great talent, still young. I think he can provide, he can offer strong competition in the number 10 position, where we currently have Gaston Sereno and Tutuzi Shabalala. I think he can offer a very, very tough competition there. So for me, we should be signing Rowan Human. We should get this deal done as soon as possible. More especially because he's a free agent. We don't have much to lose. We like free agents either way. But then now let's move to Renald Lina, who is the goalkeeper of Sekhukhune United. So according to ETSK Times, Kaizer Chiefs are set to make an inquiry for the Bafana goalkeeper. So nothing concrete as of now, just an inquiry. Kaizer Chiefs are going to more of contact Sekhukhune United and ask them, hey, is Lina available? Then take it from there. I like Lina. I think he's a great shot-stopper, and the goalkeeping department is one area we should strengthen. With Ntwari leaving, and Vuma and Peterson are not reliable. They've proved that multiple times. So we need a goalkeeper who's going to be our number 1 goalkeeper. And this will be a very difficult deal, with Sekhukhune United releasing Alipando Sangare. It's going to be a very difficult deal. I don't think they will be willing to let Lina go, easily, and more especially considering that he has now played for Bafana. They are going to increase his price tag. So I think this is going to be a tough deal. So that's it. Chabiso Mnyane and Paseka Mako signing for Kaizer Chiefs officially. Rowan Human offered to Kaizer Chiefs, so Kaizer Chiefs have to make a decision on that one, and Kaizer Chiefs are going to send an inquiry for Renald Leno. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.